Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to your channel again. Today I'm going to harvest the beans I have grown so far. You can see how much beans has grown in these plants. Those are like very big now and they're ready to harvest. I have grown two different varieties of beans. One is climbing, one is dot variety. So they both are French beans. So you can see there are a lot of beans in these small plants as well as the big ones. So all they need is support and water regularly and fertilize organically grown. Like I'm using the chicken manure and as well as I use the banana peels. You can see this one have some banana peels and I put some inside the under the soil. So you can see the healthy plants and lot of beans grown up, and I'm going to harvest them today and going to enjoy the delicious fruit or vegetables grown in home. I have planted them around early April and they are grown that massive. I already harvested few times, so regular harvest is encouraging more fruit productions. You can see a lot of flowers already I have in the plants still. So as soon as I harvest them, they are going to encourage the plants for more side shoots and more fruit. At this moment it's August. There are more time to grow in UK because these beans love a bit hot weather in the UK, around like 20 to 30 degree temperature, which is the right condition at this moment. So and that's grown the dwarf variety also. There's small plant but a lot of beans. You can see these are like small pot, like maybe around 5 liters pot, this one. So and they are deep in the soil and the small plants grown massive. And all my beans are grown in container, and you can see the container grown is also massive. If you grown in the soil directly in the ground, it's going to be more bigger plant. So tips wise, that's it. I think you should be able to grow much. Only thing I'd like to tell about the pest control. You can see the little black pest are here. So you should be able to see these ones. Let me zoom it or make it a bit focused. There are black ones you can see. So those are like a pest that attack to my beans, and get rid of this, what I use is no pesticide. I use the water pressure. So I use the high pressure water to get rid of them from the stems. I did this for these plants. I'm going to do this for this one as well today. So that's all about it. So hope you like the video, and that's what it for now. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye passionate gardener.